2022 is our year where we're not going to be broke. We're going to use the skills that we've learned and we're going to make money. I am on Fiverr. And my services are up and running. I have a gig running and I'm using my tools and skills that I have with Canva in order for me to make more money. I've been on Fiverr since April 2021, but I've actively made a gig available this week. So I've seen, and I wanted to show you just to encourage you to say that, you know what, I'm not going to be broke. I'm going to make additional money. We can do this. We can. So, for example, you can use Fiverr. You can use Upwork. I've chosen to start with Fiverr for now because it made sense for me. It was a long process to register, but it's done. You can do it too. Let's do this. So, if people are searching to create social media content, asking you to make social media content for them. For example, there's a couple of sellers where they are selling their skills, and some of them start at 496 and some of them start at 166. So let's have a look at this particular one as an example. She's got a basic, standard, as well as a premium packages, but we're going to stick with basic now, and we're not going to get ourselves excited. And with basic, she designs 2 editable templates, social media posts, or 1 banner or flyer, and then she charges 166. She delivers in 2 days and she allows 5 revisions. So with this, she designs it and she shares the file and people can use her content for commercial use, and she gives an example of what she does. So what I wanted to show you was, if you take an hour, if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, you don't sit the whole day in front of Canva designing social media posts, but after you've had worked the whole day and you put away an hour because you don't want to be broke anymore, you would then make 166 in an hour, because it will take you like an hour to create 2 editable templates, and we're going to create them so you can see what I mean with potential that you have on Canva in order for you to make money like me. Join me. Anyway, so for example, if you spend an hour and you create 2 templates, and we say 166 times 20 hours a month, you commit yourself that you will spend 20 hours in a month, you potentially have a potential of making 3,320 extra on your income. I'm sure you could do with an extra 3,320. So we can do this. Let's do this. Let me show you on Canva how easy it is to create 2 social media posts. I'll actually make 3 social media posts, and it's not going to be an hour, I promise you. So you're going to jump in on your Canva and you're going to search for templates, or you could create a blank template. So I've searched, so depending on your focus or the customer that wants you to design for them, I'm going to use my good friend who has a clothing shop called Joe's Couture in Zimbabwe. She delivers everywhere. And we're going to replace the pictures that are here and add her content, just to show you how quick and easy it is to create content and make money in 2022. So this is the template that I've used, and it is a Instagram template that has animation on, and it's just a new release that we could use and show people that they could shop at Joe's shop, for example. So I've already uploaded a couple of pictures. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace some of these pictures that she has on there, and then I'm going to replace them just to show you how easy it is to do this. So for this last one, you just want to use this whole page, and you want to make the whole page be background. And then you're going to go to your text and you're going to look for the nice font combinations. I'm going to use this one. Then I'll click on it just once. And then I'm going to rename, because these are some of the beautiful lobola couture that Joe does. So we're going to change color and make the wording to be white. And we want to add the logo so that it is part of the design. So if I wanted to make this a little bit prominent, I could always add a shape at the background of my logo, send it to back and change color. Maybe we make it white, we make it transparent, and then we send it to backward so that it highlights her logo, and then it's prominent and it shows nicely at the back of the picture. So this is the third one. You could make beautiful, beautiful social media posts that you're going to now share the designs with the person that has bought it. You're going to share a link to edit, share a link to use as a template, and then you would select this one, share it with the person that has made the order, and there's your 166 is done. So they would probably come back and say, I don't want this color, I want, and you just tweak it, edit it until your customer is ready. Teach your customer how to edit their own pictures. They're gonna love you for that, and they're gonna come back for more. So don't be stingy, don't share. People will come back for more if you're sharing. But these are some of the posts that you could create and share, and there's lots more. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do more of these on our channel. Let me know. But thank you for spending time with me. I appreciate your time. Please don't forget to like so that YouTube can share my content with more people because you've liked it. I'll see you next time when we make money with our designs.